Realism, like this is a tool that cut here and it reads back to that washroom with Mr. Red Fixer from the 37 eastbound drive, and I used to cut here. This is a tool to cut here that goes inside a washroom. So 37 eastbound, you get the 29 off the grave. You get the two concept, the gravestone break in two. So you have two holes going on like two eyes. So God beating up at the D word in that sense. Whatever funny game he's playing, he's beating up the concept. Like you can play the one game with the one eye, you get about the concept. Because they play a funny game. Like this is a card with the purpose, and they get the concept of the flower and the purpose of father, which is the first father and the mother Mary. You get the concept. Like the sky is evil blue and the red blood of Jesus. So you get the basic, technical, down to the boiling point concept, if you understand what I mean. So this is a negative number that they claim that they lost and found involved with the police, art, and then you put the word scam. So I'm not a personal, this is business, and this is an organization with the 3 and 3 concept. And you get the thing going on with the ruler. The 3 and 3. So you have 3 and 3 and 3 concept. That's how you learn in numerology. And then you get the 87 with the 4. Right on the line, the 87, which is your date, with the 4. So it tell you the concept with the ruler, and the ruler specify you should follow the line and follow the rules, and you'll be okay, just like in that place. So God is the boss and king. So God work through people, and you should obey and respect people in that sense, because you're not the only one walking on the earth in that sense. So being realistically in that sense. So the smiley face is of the sun and the moon is of night. So I follow the two concepts. The real wolf is not of me. I follow the real wolf to the moon concept. And Michael is a perfect example of realism. Realism of what the guy is showing you in real life. With Adolf, with the thing going on, but you're not getting the concept because the guy doesn't tell you what's going on inside the brain. But he's showing you. And you can ABC shit like Paul Walker. Motor and speed. This is a negative D word. You're supposed to do 12 months probation. She take off one. I don't know if she thinks she's playing schedule, don't remember game. But as a person with life to life, coming off them two people, the African and the Jamaican, I don't like none of them. I the dog shit out of the guy for calling the number over his own wrong. He's opening the washroom while I'm inside it, so I have to get off. That's why realism, a natural person do. They don't sit there on the toilet and let you come inside it. That means you're on cocaine. You're freezing your brain up to the point you're looking like shit African. So, and he cannot play music as a D word. And when I go back to that Rastafarian, he make it even worse. So for that African and Jamaican, as it implied, the guy is sitting on the stool like this, coming back from the real youth video, that's for the Jamaican shit. So card, inspirational, Fletcher's Meadow, newspaper, newspaper gravestone break in two. This is positivity. Come back from my art classroom where the guy can sit in the teacher's lounge, from Miss Dunlap and Miss Showalter. So I'm showing the world what's going on, not bragging and boasting with the lady because she's white and she bring cookies to class, and I'm not special in that way. So it's general in that way. So giving you the general perspective, the correct positive thinking, what you think should inspire somebody, like sharing Jesus world, not like Puck. But I don't even know how to explain that Twinkie, the little Indian doctor, back with the Twinkie, little smelly Billy Goat Indian who step on my toe. And my grandmother is much braver than him. And the Nike shoes comrade, 8 Mile, he doesn't get the concept of Rastafarian negativity. If the guy should take a vehicle and travel that road, he have the 98 on his head. It's like a GPS guard following him. Naturally. And this is a media way. So for him, boys in the hood, he get the concept and sitting there with the maple earth and following the history of how the guy in the car in the back. You get the concept? Because nobody likes the guy in the red vehicle, even me. He's a character, and he does die in the prison as a character, with the D word going on and shit. So the guy thinking he's 300 in the blue, that's not me. but I will take the girl as my daughter in that sense, because the character, the phrase, a scene, not the entire scene, not the entire phrase, not the entire shot, just the scene from Artenesia or the character going on in that sense. Because it's serious positivity. You're taking serious positivity, look, and turn it into positivity into your artwork. You're not copying the same thing,